There they go. Woohoo! Hey, Flipper.
Have you seen the Dolphins, man?
Right here.
Right here.
There you go. Yeah, they do that sometimes. Look at those guys go! Man, those guys are just trucking. Whoops, sorry about the finger, guys. Holy smokes, a whole school of them over here. Look at this over here. Look at the school outside. School outside, right here.
Right here, right here.
Look at the school coming at us.
Whoa!
Holy crap! It's a whole pod of them.
Oh, man.
That is so cool. Look at them all go. Go, go, go. There's like 50 of them now.
Oh, look at this over here. What's this right here?
It's a whole other pod.